Let's begin our exploration of cloud databases. We will be looking at database as a service in cloud-native solutions. So, what exactly are cloud databases? In simple terms, these are databases that are hosted and managed on cloud infrastructure. This provides scalable and easily accessible data storage without the limitations of traditional hardware. Now let's discuss database as a service, often shortened to DBaaS. This is a fully managed database service where cloud providers take care of all the infrastructure, maintenance, and operational tasks. Some key benefits of using database as a service are automatic backups, scaling on demand, security management, and reduced operational overhead. Next, let's explore cloud-native databases. These are databases designed from the ground up to operate in cloud environments. They leverage distributed architectures and microservices principles, enabling greater flexibility and resilience. Some key characteristics of cloud-native databases are that they are distributed by design, have auto-scaling capabilities, a fault-tolerant architecture, and an application programming interface-first approach. Now let's explore some popular cloud database services. First is Amazon Relational Database Service, also known as Amazon RDS, which is a managed relational database service that supports multiple engines. Next is Azure Structured Query Language Database, which is a fully managed structured query language database with built-in intelligence. Then there is Google Cloud Structured Query Language, which is a managed database service for my structured query language, Postgres Structured Query Language, and Structured Query Language Server. Finally, there is Mongo Document Database Atlas, which is a multi-cloud database service for modern applications. Let's delve into the key advantages of using cloud databases. First, scalability. Cloud databases offer elastic scaling based on demand. Second, cost efficiency. You only pay for what you use with a pay-as-you-use pricing model. Third, global access. You can access your databases from anywhere with an internet connection. And fourth, high availability, which offers built-in redundancy and failover mechanisms. Now let's talk about the challenges and best practices when implementing cloud databases. Some key challenges include data security and compliance, vendor lock-in concerns, network latency issues, and the complexity of migration. Now let's look at best practices to help mitigate those challenges. These include implementing robust backup strategies, monitoring performance metrics, planning for disaster recovery, and conducting regular security audits. In summary, cloud databases offer scalable, managed solutions that reduce operational complexity while providing global accessibility and enterprise-grade reliability. The future of data management is in the cloud. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.